to the IED's panel on hydrogen, which took place at the Cinema Palace in Brussels.
That basically coal and steel were the basis of the European Union in the 50s, and now hydrogen can bring us back together again.
So we really believe in renewable hydrogen as a basis where you really deliver the zero emission energy to different uses, be it transport, be it other sectors, industry.
Did we want to meet this goal or not? If we want to, we need massive hydrogen production in order to have growth, in order to have skilled new jobs. It's very important. And another part which is important for me is the strategic autonomy of Europe.
Since June last year, 2020, we have a Clean Hydrogen Alliance that has been set up and is rolled out now. It's about 2/3 of the projects, both on production and consumptions, that have been presented with the kickstart date in the next 3 to 3.5 years.
And Victoria just said that the target was enshrined also in the EU strategy supported by the European Parliament, 40 gigawatt until 2030. And within a year, we understood that the projects that have been collected will overshoot by far the 40 gigawatts.
The cheapest, dirtiest oil, the heavy fuel oil that we use in ships, and the cost of green ammonia, green hydrogen is so enormous that no carbon price will ever close that gap. So you need regulations to drive that demand. The same in aviation.
Companies have a key role to play in this battle for clean hydrogen. And we have different tools. She talks about taxonomy. It's very important to have hydrogen, decarbonized hydrogen, I can say, into the taxonomy, because it's private funds who can arrive to help the industry to invest.
Why should we produce this here? In Europe, if you put a solar panel into Brussels, you get some kilowatt hours of electricity. If you put the same panel into Morocco, or even southern Spain, it's 2.5, nearly 3 times as much.
So I think the role of the European industry is really about the technology, about the fuel cell development, improving the stacks, everything that comes with the hydrogen value chain, like really developing the technology.
I agree with the efficiency of the solar panel, but there's not only solar panels there. We have hydraulic energies, we have also wind energy, we have also marine energy in the different countries. So the potential of hydrogen production in in Central and Eastern Europe is very, very important.
It's easier to produce here at the other part of the world. And after, you have a crisis like the COVID-19 crisis, which arrives, all the borders are closed, and we are totally dependent in Europe.
I regard myself as a European patriot. I want to be energy autonomous. I want to have a European industrial policy.
That the hydrogen and oxygen in it will provide an inexhaustive source of light and heat of an intensity that coal could not have. Marvelous. It was a very long time ago, but for the future
it's perfect for me, a nerd, because we started this with Star Trek and we ended with Jules Verne.